Neural control and coordination. Coordination is the process through which two or more organs they interact with each other and they complement the functions of each other. This neural control involves two systems, neural system and endocrine system. Neural system is composed of neurons and endocrine system provides supports through hormones or chemical messengers. Human neural system. Human neural system is composed of CNS and PNS. CNS is central nervous system and PNS is peripheral nervous system. Now if you see CNS, it consists of brain and spinal cord. PNS consists of nerves which are associated with central nervous system. In this PNS, these nerves have nerve fibers and there are two types of nerve fibers present, afferent and efferent. The signals is transferred from tissues to CNS through afferent nerve fibers and message signals are sent from CNS to tissue through efferent nerve fibers. You can see the difference here. Afferent is responsible for traveling of the signal from tissue towards your brain, towards CNS. In case of efferent, from your brain or CNS, signals is traveling towards tissues. This peripheral nervous system is further divided into somatic nervous system and autonomic nervous system. Somatic nervous system is the one in which signals from brain or CNS travels towards skeletal muscles, whereas in case of autonomic nervous system, signals from brain travel to involuntary organs or smooth muscles. This autonomic nervous system is further divided into sympathetic nervous system and parasympathetic nervous system.